what is Urge Delivery in Shein, and how to use Urge Delivery on Shein, a step-by-step guide. If you click on Urge Delivery, it says they sent a message to put a rush on your delivery on the day that it is already out for delivery. Urgent shipping, also known as Urge Delivery, is the fastest shipping option available on Shein. It guarantees your items will arrive within 1 to 2 days. Shein offers various shipping options to suit different delivery needs. Among them, Urge Delivery stands out as the fastest option, ensuring your order reaches you within 1 to 2 business days. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to utilize Urge Delivery effectively. Step 1. Understanding Shein shipping options. Shein provides different shipping options, each with its own delivery time frame. Standard shipping, the default option with a delivery time of 7 to 10 business days. Express shipping, faster than standard, delivered within 5 to 7 business days. Fast shipping, arrives in 3 to 5 business days, ideal for quicker deliveries. Urgent shipping, Urge Delivery, the fastest option, guaranteeing delivery within 1 to 2 business days. Step 2. Benefits of Urge Delivery. Understanding the advantages of Urge Delivery can help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Fast processing. Orders are prioritized for quick handling. Priority shipping. Your order moves to the front of the queue. Shorter delivery time. Receive your items within a couple of days. Step 3. Selecting Urge Delivery. When making a purchase on Shein, follow these steps to opt for Urge Delivery. Add desired items to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout. On the shipping options page, choose Urge Delivery. Confirm your shipping address and complete the payment process. Step 4. Expectations with Urge Delivery. Once you've selected Urge Delivery, anticipate faster order processing. Your package is handled swiftly. Prioritize shipping. Your order is given high priority. Shorter delivery time. Expect your items within 1 to 2 business days. Step 5. Tracking your Urge Delivery package. To track your package, log into your Shein account. Go to My Orders, locate your Urge Delivery order and click on Track. You'll be redirected to the courier's website for real-time updates. Step 6. Tips for a smooth Urge Delivery experience. To ensure a hassle-free experience, provide accurate address, double-check your shipping details, order early, place your order as soon as possible. Monitor tracking, stay updated on your package's progress. Ensure availability, arrange to receive your package when it arrives. Contact customer service. Reach out if you encounter any issues or delays. Step 7. Shein's urgent shipping policies. Understand the policies in place. Urgent shipping duration, usually 5 to 8 business days. Price calculation, based on weight and destination. Availability, limited to specific countries and regions. By following these steps, you can maximize the benefits of Urge Delivery on Shein and enjoy the convenience of rapid shipping for your orders.